Nader here. Today we're going to talk to you about our favorite application, iMovie. Now in this tutorial we will be talking to you about how to make a trailer, how to edit your footage, and how to export your final product.
So filming has become really popular in school nowadays with lots of projects involving filming. And iMovie is a great way to edit it for like beginners, and it makes it look really good. It can also be used for business to make great looking ads and commercials and cool trailers and informative newscasts. So today we'll be showing you
How to make a trailer.
Okay. So now we're going to show you how to make a similar trailer to ours.
The first thing you want to do is import your footage into a new event. The event is to keep your footage organized so that you don't have footage from one project in with another.
So to do that, you go File, and then Import from wherever it's saved. But for us, it's the camera, so we're going to go Import from camera. Now you're just going to quickly pick whatever you would like to use in yours. Then you go on Import Checked. Now this window pops up, and you're probably going to have to go under Create New Event. Then you name your event to whatever, but we already have ours, and it's called Spy Trailer number 2, since we already have one. Then you click Import. So we'll be right back when this is done importing. So now we're done importing, so go under Done.
Now you want to make a new project, and this is where you'll be choosing your theme and putting together the theme for your trailer.
So you're going to go under File, New Project, and then first you have project themes, but we're not going to use those. We're going to go under Movie Trailers. So now you're going to pick whatever theme suits you. We're going to go back to the Spy. And you're going to name your project. And then you also get a little preview of it. So then you want to name your project, whatever you want. Name it Spy Trailer 2 again. And you're going to click Create.
So now it's pretty straightforward. You just fill in the blanks on what you want. So for us, we continued with our spy theme, obviously. So right now you're under Outline, and you're just going to fill in all the blanks.
You just fill it in as it said. So like the star, you can say who the star is, what gender he is, and do all the credits. So like who was the director, who edited it, and stuff like that.
Now you have to follow the storyboard outline. So if you click storyboard, it shows all the different titles. So this, for example, this says close up.
Yep.
And you're going to want to take a footage of a close up.
You're going to take the image of your close up. So we're going to take Cooper here. And it's just going to drag it into the place. So now you have your first little clip. And also fits these titles. If you see, you can simply fix those just by clicking on them and writing in whatever you want. So here, obviously, you'd write what studios. So the rest of the titles are pretty much just what is going to be said throughout the trailer.
So anytime you want to see your video full screen, you can press this button over here,
Would be like this.
and that plays it from the beginning full screen. But if you want to just play it in that small screen, you just press this button.
It'll show it like this. And then, so now you want to go along the storyboard of this video and just drag in the clips according to what they say. So like where it says action, it's better to put an action shot. You're gonna do that for the rest of the storyboard and fix the titles. So we're gonna be right back after we fill in our storyboard over here. So now we're done with the trailer, and now we're gonna show you some simple and basic editing techniques. So we'll show you what we did with that. Now we're back. So here we're just gonna show you our little editing simple, which is pretty much the bloopers of our spy trailer. Now we're good. 3, go. There we go. Go upstairs. Yeah. So in this movie, we have 3 basic things: transitions, like this fade out, music, as you can hear, and then a title, like we have here. So now we're going to show you how to make, not bloopers, but how to simply edit film.
Okay, so you're going to want to go to File, and you're going to want to go to New Project. So now you have to pick a theme that suits what you need, or you can pick no theme, which is what we did when we made our bloopers.
So we're going to call it bloopers 2, and create. Now you want to, again, make probably another event just to be more organized. File, you're going to import from wherever. So again, ours is from camera. Pick whatever clips you want. So I'll go with this one and this one. And you're going to import. Then you're going to either make a new event, so whatever you want to name it, or you're going to add to an existing one. So we're going to make a new one called bloopers number 2. And you're going to import. Okay, so now that we're done importing, you're going to go under done.
Then you're going to want to drag your footage into the project timeline.
So you click and drag the selection from the clip, so however long you want. Then you click, hold, and drag to this timeline down here. When you see the plus, it means it's a good place. You're like allowed to put it there. So you just let go, and your clips are there. And I'm just gonna do one more. Okay.
Okay, now that your footage is there, you can add transitions by clicking this over
This
here.
little icon.
That's for a list of transitions, and if you chose a theme for your transition, if you chose a theme, then the transition will match your theme. Now we didn't, so it's just random transitions.
So pretty popular transitions like fading and stuff like that.
Okay, now you want to drag the transition in between 2 clips or split a clip and put it there.
So we're gonna do like a cross blur.
Yep.
And we're gonna drag it right
in between
where that green line is. So now if you play it by clicking this arrow down here,
Don't look at the camera.
you see that it kinda, you see that cross blur. You see here, it blurs away into the next one. And then there is a range of transitions you can use.
Now to add text, click on this button.
The T.
And depending on your theme, it can match once again.
Now, you need to, this time, you click and drag the text, not in between a clip, but on the clip that you want. So we're going to go here, and if you see now it's underlined in blue. And you're just going to type in whatever you want. We're going to write bloopers, and then write from trailers, from our trailer. And then you click the done up here, and you can change the length of the text by dragging the end of the little blue bubble that appears over your clip. So now your clip is shorter.
Now, for music, you want to click the little music sign right over there and select the music you want. So if you want iTunes, you click on iTunes, and then you have all your songs from iTunes there. And then you drag that, one of the songs.
So let's just go with this one.
Yep.
And you just drag it in an empty space in the project, and it's there for until the last clip. So now if you press the play button, you can hear it.
Don't look at the camera.
So now you've learned how to add music, text, and transitions to your films to make it look more professional and better. These are the basic fundamentals of movie editing that help make your movie look much better and more professional.
So if you want to export it or like publish it, you want to click share and then export movie.
We're going to do an export movie, but you can also export to YouTube, Facebook, or any of these other applications. So we're just going to export movie.
Then you choose a name.
We're going to name it bloopers, I suppose. And you choose the size. And depending on the size, the bigger it is, it can be played on computers and TVs better. The smaller the file is, it's better for like mobile, like iPhones or iPods. So click the name, pick the location, we're going to go desktop, and then you're going to click export. So this may take a while depending on your movie, so we'll be right back. Okay, so now that your project has been exported to wherever, it'll be like for us on the desktop. And you can also do this with the trailer. It's the same thing, you just go under the project, go share and export. So now you've learned how to export to. And if you see, it's right here. And if you click on it and press the space bar on a Mac, you get this little viewer.
Don't look at the camera.
So
As you can see, iMovie is a great software for making movies and editing footage. But not only is it great quality, but it's super easy to use, and in no time you'll be an editing pro. So today you learned how to make a trailer, edit your footage, and how to export your finished product.
So we hope you guys have fun with this new awesome techniques you learned with this awesome software. We hope you guys make some awesome and great looking films. See you next time.
Bye.